Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the View mode in AirDroid Business. Firstly, let's understand what View mode is. View mode allows you to monitor your deployed Android devices in real time. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to keep a watchful eye on their devices without actively controlling them. Moving on, let's explore how to activate the View mode across different controllers. There are three types of controllers where you can find and use the View mode: the Admin Console, Desktop Client, and Controller app. 1. Admin Console. Begin by logging into Admin Console. Next, you'll need to select the device and initiate the remote operation. You can do this in two ways. Go to Devices tab, Dashboard, select the screenshot or camera template. Find the target device and choose the remote operation option. Alternatively, go to Devices tab, Device List, and choose the device you want to operate. Click the Remote Operation option in the device list. After clicking the Remote Operation option, this page will pop up. Click the gear icon on the top right and select the connection mode. We offer two types of connection modes: General Mode and Dynamic Mode. General Mode provides a faster connection speed, lower frame rate, and lower data consumption. It's ideal for tasks that don't require high frame rates. You can also set the image quality to high, medium, or low based on your needs. Dynamic Mode is compatible for acquiring remote sound of the target device surroundings. It enables the system auto-adjust the display quality based on the network conditions, thereby reduce lag. This feature is perfect for tasks that require smooth performance. Please note that features like Acquire Remote Sound and Voice Call are only available in Dynamic Mode. Finally, start the View mode by selecting it from the Remote Operation options. If you want to perform more remote actions when viewing, the View mode in the desktop client will be a better choice. First, log into AirDroid Business Desktop Client. Choose the target device from My Devices. Then, simply activate the View mode. AirDroid Business also allows you to use the View mode directly from your mobile device using the Controller app. This gives you the flexibility to monitor your devices on the go. Start by logging into the AirDroid Business app. Then, you should see the device groups or devices you can access. Select the device you want to monitor, and the remote operation options will show up. Lastly, select the View mode option. This will allow you to monitor the selected device in real time. Okay. You're now equipped to use the View mode in AirDroid Business across different controllers. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.